do that.
What are you doing?
You can't sneak up on people on rooftops.
What are you doing on the roof?
What are you doing on the roof?
I asked you first.
What are you doing?
What am I doing? I'm holding a fairly obvious paper bag, which seemingly contains a fairly obvious lunch. Upon opening said bag, oh, look, there's lunch in there. And we can go even further to say that the lunch is a fairly obvious peanut butter and jam sandwich, except that the jam is boysenberry, which could be seen as a far out there and unexpected choice. That's how I roll. You, on the other hand, are covered in cheeseburgers. The what are you doing question clearly falls to you.
You're the new girl, huh?
Or Josie. I go by either as far as names is concerned. Oh, it must get pretty complicated when more than one new girl arrives. Do you alternate? Is it Sammy on Mondays, Wednesdays, and alternate Fridays?
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? Me, lunch. You, cheeseburgers.
Gosh, well, you sure do have a sunny personality.
I'll take lack of sun over woo-woo any day.
What's woo-woo?
Woo is what happens when you duct tape cheeseburgers to your body.
Hey, I'm not woo-woo.
You're Pete.
That's right, I am.
Hooray, I'm going to eat my lunch now.
Why are you eating on the roof?
It's quiet. Usually. I didn't think anyone else knew about the door being unlocked up here.
Why don't you eat with everyone else?
Why do you care where I eat?
Well, I asked you first.
I mean, you win first prize for first question. Why are you covered in cheeseburgers?
Why are you answering the question with a question?
I don't want to answer yours.
Oh.
Except, I might need to kill a couple cats on this one. I kind of want to know what you're doing.
You're gonna think I'm crazy.
Too late.
What are you gonna do if I don't tell?
I'll run to the office and tell them there's a crazy guy in the room.
You can't do that.
Why not?
You can't turn me in, that's not fair. Oh, God, I knew I should have done this earlier. I could have done it in fourth period. Look, my entire future is riding on the next few moments. So if you screw it up, you'll be totally responsible for ruining my life.
And this is the part where you tell me why?
Fine. I applied to my dream school and I got in.
Which in the non-cheeseburger world would be cause for celebration.
Right, but they were supposed to turn me down. I only applied because I was sure they'd reject me. They weren't supposed to say yes.
Why?
Well,
I mean, your dream school, isn't it? What, are you scared?
Well, I mean, what if they think I'm good and I'm what? Well, what if they think I'm good and what if I think I'm good and they think I'm good, but I'm really not that good and I just crash and burn?
Okay, so then go. Okay, so you have your dream school, you got accepted, you wanted it, you got in, you're glad you got in, but you can't go? Wait, I'm confused. What's your dream school and dream job?
It doesn't matter.
It'll help the story.
I got accepted in the computer animation program at Chapman. With the possibility of a Pixar internship.
Dude, that's big.
I know, I have to go.
Okay, so go.
I can't.
Why not?
Well, because I know everyone here. The mailman says hi, the mailman knows my birthday. Nobody's gonna say hi the mailman doesn't say hi at Chapman, the mailman's not gonna know my birthday. The mailman...
Or how the mail woman.
Well, see, I'm screwing up already. What if it's a male woman and I go, oh, hi, Mr. Mailman, and then she spits in my face?
If you can't tell a man from a woman, you really are screwed.
If I go into the woods and get caught in a bear trap, someone from Brayton will notice that I'm missing, form a task force, and find me in the woods caught in a bear trap. And I won't have to die in the middle of the woods caught in a bear trap. I have absolutely no guarantee of that at Chapman.
Are there many bears in Chapman? Or here?
Well, see, now you're just making fun of me.
Oh, absolutely. Okay, so you can't go. And you can't stay. So you decided to end it all in a cheeseburger-filled swan dive?
No.
Oh, sorry.
Jeez, that's a terrible thing to say.
I skipped too far ahead of the story. Please, continue.
Well, I have a few other things that I'm afraid of.
Naturally.
I thought if I could conquer those fears, then going away to school seemed like nothing, right?
Okay, so what fears led you to being covered in cheeseburgers?
Heights and falling.
What? Wait. What? Okay, so definitely not woo-woo, right? Jumping off the roof is the definition of woo-woo.
Falling. I'm gonna fall off the roof. There's a big distinction there.
Okay, well, here's the roof. There's the ground. And what are a couple cheeseburgers gonna do from saving you from complete physical harm?
First of all, it's not just cheeseburgers. They're filled with shaving cream.
Of course they are.
And there's a few second of all, there's a few gym mats on the ground, and they've got cardboard boxes all over them, and they're totally gonna break my fall. That's what Jim said, at least.
Jim? Jim Hill. You've got to be kidding me, right?
Nope.
Jim, the guy who was laughing at tuna in a ventilation duct this morning, that's your falling expert?
Yes, well, no. He told me about it, but he doesn't know I'm doing it.
You've got to be kidding me.
I mean, it'll work. Jim saw it on the Discovery Channel. They're not going to push somebody the wrong way in the Discovery Channel.
It's cheeseburgers and shaving cream.
It sounded like a good idea.
I mean, at least you can't run for valedictorian. Tyler Tooze has it all sewn up.
Tyler Tooze wouldn't be doing this anyways. He's not afraid of anything.
Pete, you can't think this is a good idea.
Sounded like a good idea.
It's cheeseburgers, shaving cream, a couple of gym mats, and some cardboard boxes.
That makes it sound like less than a good idea.
There's got to be another way to kick your butt out of this town. I'll volunteer. I'll break into your house, drag you out of bed, and kick your butt all the way to Chapman.
Dude, you don't even know me.
You don't know me either. We're even.
Do you really hate being called the new girl?
I mean, it's better than parents gone to jail, girl. Love that. At least with this one, I can have a bit of fun with it. Depending on who you talk to, my parents either shish kebab their dog, stole the Empire State Building, or put Kool-Aid in the water supply. It's the little things.
Jeez, did your parents really do something bad?
Yeah, they duct taped yogurt containers for their bodies and fell off the Brooklyn Bridge.
Oh. Hey, wait a minute.
Sorry, couldn't resist.
Guess I shouldn't call you the new girl anymore, Josie.
And I won't call you woo-woo, unless you do this falling thing. Then I won't have a choice. Thank you.
That's it.